This is an extremely rare picture of two legends together, Swami Vivekananda and Nikola Tesla. Usain Bolt broke the world record and won the 100 meters gold medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics with his shoelaces untied. Beer reduces the risk of developing kidney stones by 40%. Taking nap longer than 20 minutes during day can help boost memory and enhance creativity. To have your photo taken with the first ever camera, you would have to sit still for 8 hours. Most laugh tracks for TV were recorded in 1950s, which means many of the people you hear laughing are dead. The tiny white dots you can see when looking at the blue sky are actually white blood cells moving in front of the retina. Father who beat a man to death for raping his 5-year-old daughter faces no charges in Texas. Japanese scientists successfully created an MRI machine that can record your dreams and reconstruct them for you to watch while you are awake. The entire internet is stored and delivered using 540 billion trillion electrons, which altogether weigh around 50 grams or about the weight of one strawberry. Aditya Nigam developed India's first three-player chess called a Triwizard Chess, where one player can checkmate two players at a time. Father built a wooden electric Lamborghini for his son in 65 days. It looks original and runs just fine. There has over 10,000 beaches. You could visit a new beach every day for over 27 years. Before bombs, pilots used to drop steel arrows on the enemies. Titanic was the first film to have two people nominated for an Oscar for portraying the same character. France is the only country to force all the supermarkets to give unsold foods to the needy. Sleeping more than 9 hours a night and sitting too much during the day could increase the chances of an early death, particularly when you are physically inactive. Dev Anand made everyone mesmerized for his black suit looks. Girls were so crazy to see him that many jumped from building. After such frequent episodes of girls committing suicide, the Bombay High Court put a ban on Dev Anand to wear black suit. The creator of Puma and the creator of Adidas were brothers. There are 6,000 islands in the country Japan, the country of islands. In Finland, they have National Sleepyhead Day on July 27, where the last person in a family to wake up is thrown into a lake or sea by the rest of the family. Drinking water stored in copper vessels is the healthy way. When we store the water overnight in a copper vessel, few copper ions get dissolved into the water molecules and kill the harmful microbes. This is called oligodynamic effect. The vibrator was invented by a physician to treat women who suffered from hysteria. I used message a lot of girls who were my friends during my college days. Never got a reply from them. Now, when I have become a professional player, they had started messaging me and I never replied to them, said by Shreyas Iyer. The only animal that a lion is afraid of is Lady Lioness. So if you are afraid of your lady, that means you are a lion. Humans are afraid of aliens because we think they will treat us the same way we treat other animals on earth. In the past 3500 years of mankind, there have been only 230 years of peace throughout the world.